Everyone, welcome back. This is hole number 9 of the mountain tournament for Golf Clash Rookie Division. This is the final hole. Thanks for staying with me for so long. I'm just about to complete it here, and this is the par 5. And really, there's only one way to play this hole because there's only one really fairway to land to. So you pretty much have to run it along the right-hand side, and the way I like to play it is I like to take my first shot and bounce it over top of the water, just so you can cut the corner a little bit better. And in order to do that, you can use a quarterback or you can use a extra mile. If you use a quarterback, give it about one top spin. Even if you're using an extra mile, give it about a top spin. And line up your target while you'll see that in a few minutes here. And give it full curl. And you can use a ball like a katana. You can use a Titan. You can use a quasar like I do here. And basically you're just setting yourself up for a second shot to the green. So, like in this particular one, I used a quarterback because it's a number 7, so it goes about 214 yards, the power anyways. So one top, full left, and Titan. I would use a Titan if you're using a quarterback actually, because you want to have the distance for your second shot as well. As seen, this is a par 5. So you just full left spin. And that sets you up nicely for a second shot. Second shot, I would go with a long distance wood. I prefer to use a big dog in case you mess up the first shot. You know you're going to make it with a second shot. With the second shot here, what you want to do is you want to overpower it a little bit. I probably wouldn't give it any top spin because it likes to take off and go running into the sand traps or past the green. So your best bet is just judge it by overpower. And usually it's very little overpower depending on what situation you're in. Like this particular shot, you can see my ball guide is pretty much right in the middle of the rough there. So you know I have to do just, you're letting the wind carry at 4.42, which is roughly around 2 rings, a little bit less than 2 rings. So you have to look at and see what the wind's going to carry it. And judge that. And then if you feel you need a little bit of overpower, you give that. So in this particular shot, I believed I overpowered just a little bit. Give it just a little bit of curl. And I give side. So as you can see, full, no top spin like I said. And if you have to overpower it, just overpower it slightly with about a half a ball curl. And if you hit great to the left, you're going to be able to cut that corner just a little bit, but you don't want to hit it too far. You end up in that sand trap. And there you go. That sets you up for a really easy eagle. And if you would have made that shot, it would have been an albatross. Anyways, that's hole number 9. That's the mountain tournament. Thanks very much for watching all my videos with me. And maybe I'll get a golden shot in. I'm not